Welcome to Section TWO, which is about getting acquainted with herbs. Where to start? Dealing with herbs in magic can be an extremely hands-on experience. Unlike other tools and active ingredients of magic such as wands, pentacles, and crystals, which often stay in the exact same kind and shape throughout their existence, herbs are incredibly capable of physical change. Naturally, candles are burned, and for that reason melt during magic. However, herbs can be cut, dried, boiled, baked, collapsed, and after that burned, if a spell requires it. And of course, herbs can be used for both edible and routine magic. However, this flexibility comes a bit more intricacy in terms of developing a practice with these wonderful tools. The degree to which you actually get your hands involved in herbs is up to you. However, it's always good to find out as much as you can about what you're dealing with. In this section, you'll get an excellent introduction to 13 herbs commonly utilized in magical customs around the world, both in ancient times and today. Then we'll cover some important standard information about getting herbs, in addition to growing and collecting them yourself, if you so desire. The 13 magical herbs. With a couple of possible exceptions, the herbs on this list ought to be quite easy to discover, ideal in your location. Because the wonderful homes of herbs are typically intertwined with their cooking and medicinal usages, you'll discover details on all three of elements in the majority of the descriptions, in addition to alternative names and magical correspondences for each. All of the spells and other magical functions in part 3 of our course use several of these terrific herbs.